In this video, I'll show you how to share CapCut projects so others can edit them. Now, unfortunately, this is a manual process. CapCut doesn't have a built-in way to do this. So what we're going to do is just start by making sure our project name is simple and rememberable. So I'll click on these three dots and just rename it, or if you're making a new project, just name it something nice. And let's go into our project. Alright, so here in our project, you'll notice the Details tab, and that is where our projects are saved to. So once you're done with your project, what you want to do is click on Modify, and just do a manual save. You can also opt to copy media to project, but that depends on if you want to do that. That is fully up to you. I'm not going to do that, so let's just hit Save. And now we're going to go to this path over here. So quickest way to app data that I usually use is just to go to the Windows button, right click on it, then click on Run. And what you want to do is type %, app data %, and then just hit OK or enter. Okay, we need to be on app data, so I've gone one too far, so let's go one back. And we need to be in local and look for CapCut. And then we need to go to user data, projects, and then com.live editor drafts, and there's our project, Ocean Breeze. So what we're going to do is just copy this project. We can copy it to the desktop, we can leave it here, it's fully up to you. So once you've got your project in an easy to find spot, this again is optional, but I would recommend just zipping this, or if you use WinRAR, just changing it into a RAR, so right click. If you're using 7-zip, you'll have a zip option. If you're using WinRAR, you'll have the WinRAR icon at the bottom here. And we'll just say add to Ocean Breeze RAR. Okay, now that your file is zipped or RAR'd, all you need to do is just send the file and all media associated with it to the person. So over Google Drive, email, that part is up to you. And they need to put the files in the same spot. So where they put the media files doesn't really matter, because for the next part, after they have moved the project file into the project file for their PC, once they try and open it, it should look like this and give them this message. So all they need to do is just link the media attached. So just click on Link Media. And now they need to go to this exact file name at the bottom, and just click on it and say open. And there we go. The media is now linked. And that's how you do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I will see you when I see you.